Want to simplify the process of making sure data reaches the right audience at the right time? You can schedule publications that deliver stories to key users via email on a defined schedule. Keep in mind that to schedule a publication for a story from the Files area, you must have specific permissions. Your system must be hosted on a supported data center, and the story must be based on a supported data source type. Refer to the links in the description for more details on prerequisites and supported formats. When configuring the publication, you can specify a name for the event and a date and time when the publication will be generated. You can also optionally add a recurring schedule. You can check availability to see which time slots are fully available, partially available, unavailable, conflicting, or non-conflicting. Next, you can specify your desired file type to generate a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, a CSV file, or an Excel spreadsheet. You can then define a mandatory subject for the email, which defaults to the file name, and an optional message. You can also choose to deliver the publication as an attachment with a preview in the email body, or just in the email body. Optionally, you can add a direct link to the story you're sharing or enable the Customize Script Variable option to enable viewers to personalize a variable contained in your story. Finally, you can add an unlimited number of SAP Analytics Cloud users and teams, and up to 3 non-SAP Analytics Cloud recipients. Each distribution group represents a bookmarked version of the story, which you can select here. If you want to publish another view, you can add a new group with a different set of recipients. You can also change the file's settings for the selected file type if desired. When you're ready, you can add the schedule to your calendar, where you can track the status of all your scheduled publications. From here, you can edit details such as the date and time, or cancel either one instance of the publication or the entire series. For more details on scheduling publications, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.